3 branches of hospitals in Pune, out of which the main Ruby Hall clinic and Vanavri Ruby Hall clinic has nuclear medicine setups. The setup at main Ruby Hall has got Discovery MI digital PET CT, NMCT at 60 SPECT CT, and we have full theranostics facility available here. The department at Vanavri has got a PET CT and a SPECT machine. We do some theranostics there also. We got this Discovery MI PET CT and NMCT at 60 SPECT CT machines in year of 2018. G Healthcare support and service was very predominantly required because we were setting up the department from the scratch in the super specialty building. Setting up this new department with our extremely new technology was a challenge. G's service team and installation team were very instrumental in helping us with this whole setup. At my nuclear medicine department, we have gone for CMC, that is a comprehensive maintenance contract with both the equipment. It's a blessing to have a CMC contract because sometimes you get into a very bad problem and then recovering that thing becomes challenging. When we got Discovery MI PET CT installed, that was country's first digital PET CT. The platform was different, the acquisition processes were different, programs were different, methods were different, and similarly the SPECT CT, the whole thing was new to our department because we just had a conventional SPECT machine previously. So my entire technical team had to be trained for this new technology at both ends, like PET CT and for a SPECT CT. G's on-site training was extremely useful in the initial 1 or 2 weeks when we had some system expert at our place continuously training my people about new protocols, customized protocols for their, because they were used to something that they are doing for last so many years. So changing that whole thing was a little difficult, but G's training team had done a fantastic job, and it continued. I must tell you that it continued further because some point of time we had a couple of technologists who were joining as a new technologists. So training them also was a problem. Obviously sometimes previous technologists also can teach, but the G person giving a training is not important, and it really has helped. When it comes to service and support, I have always liked the way technical team and the service team has helped us doing the day-to-day work. We opted for going for the remote service support, and to our surprise it was extremely good experience. The people immediately took over the control and tried to resolve the issue, simultaneously communicating with our technical team, and the problem got resolved without any service person actually visiting. So I think it really did wonders. Mostly when the machine is down or we realize there is some kind of a snag in the machines, we have got a standard operating procedures in place where we immediately register a complaint on the online portal. I have seen that the helpline will immediately return the call and let us know about what is to be done and what is going to happen. Within not more than 2 to 4 hours, the service team or somebody from the service team is on the site taking care of the problem. My experience with G Healthcare is phenomenal because if it was not like that, we wouldn't have gone into so many future equipment with G. I am going ahead with brand new next generation PET CT at Vanori, and we are also installing G mini trace cyclotron at our department. I think that's the best what can happen with a company where we can trust the whole thing. I am using G equipment for pretty long time, many years, many decades. The quality and the way the entire team interacts with us was very unique. Our future endeavors are with G, and I have some good plans for going ahead with the services or equipment that G has.